Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. Okay, so in this question, we have been given that a survey of 100 people was conducted for readership of magazines A, B and C. We have provided this data. We need to find how many people read only one magazine. Okay, so based on this data, what we have done is we have drawn the Venn diagram and written down the equations here. Okay, through the Venn diagram. So now over here, this is a Venn diagram in which A represents number of people who read only A. Okay, A is for only A. B is for number of people reading only B, and C is for number of people reading only C. X is for number of people reading A and B only. Okay, so only this much part is X. Okay, this part which I have shaded is X. Similarly, Y is number of people who study only B and C. Z is number of people who study or read only A and C. And W is number of people who read all the three magazines. Okay. So now the first information is 20 people did not read any magazines. N over here is number of people not reading any of these three. Okay. That is why N is outside these circles. So 20 people did not read any of the magazines. So N comes out to be 20. Okay. 20 people read exactly two magazines. So X, Y and Z are the number of people reading exactly two magazines. So that is equal to 20. X plus Y plus Z. These are the number of people reading exactly two magazines. 12 people read magazines A and B. So A and B, so if you look at it over here for A and B, X plus W are the people reading A and B. Okay, keep in mind it doesn't say only A and B. If only A and B would have been there, then X would have been 12. But it says 12 people read magazines A and B. So A and B magazines are read by X plus W number of people. So X plus W is 12. Similarly, 8 people read magazines B and C. So Y plus W is 8. And 12 people read magazines A and C. So Z plus W is 12. Okay. Total number of people is 100. So N plus A plus B plus C plus X plus Y plus Z plus W equals 100. Okay. So the question is how many people read exactly one magazine. So number of people reading exactly one magazine is A plus B plus C. So we need to find the value of A plus B plus C based on this equation. So if we put N equal to 20 here in this equation of N plus A plus B plus C plus X plus Y plus Z plus W equal to 100. If we put N is equal to 20, we can then say A plus B plus C plus X plus Y plus Z plus W, that is 100 minus 20, which is 80. Okay. Now I have X plus Y plus Z is 20. So if we put X plus Y plus Z equal to 20 here, we can then say A plus B plus C plus 20 plus W is 80. Okay, because X plus Y plus Z is 20. So now here this can be written as A plus B plus C plus W is 80 minus 20, which is 60. Okay, so I have A plus B plus C plus W is 60. So I need to find the value of W here. Now I have these three equations. If I add all these three equations, what I will get is X plus Y plus Z plus 3W. If I add them, X plus Y plus Z plus W plus W plus W. So X plus Y plus Z plus 3W is equal to 12 plus 8 plus 12. So 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 12 is 32. So this equals to 32. We know X plus Y plus Z is 20. So we can put that. So that becomes 20 plus 3W is equal to 32. So 3W comes out to be 12, or W is 4. And now here if we put W as 4, what we get is A plus B plus C is equal to 56. Okay, because W is 4, so it is 60 minus 4, which is 56.